Bonjour. We're going to France today. It's my first time as a Café Du Cycliste ambassador. They're hosting a brand summit. It's called the Midsummer Rally, and we're going to be riding 3 days. So I'm really excited. Usually on the other side, organizing events, and now being invited as an ambassador is pretty cool. Looking forward to some good riding and meeting a lot of interesting people and working on my French skills. After my flight from Frankfurt, I rushed to catch up with the group, and I was running a bit late, but I met Christopher from Montreal, who helped pace me through a fast opening hour on the bike. That was pretty tough. There was even time to rest before heading out to a winery hidden in the mountains behind the city. That's where we met the people behind the brand, the CEOs, the faces behind Café Du Cycliste. On the big day, we rode along the coast of Menton and then climbed the Col de la Madone. It was wild to see how strong everyone was, especially the CEOs who could really ride. I was totally impressed, but also pretty cooked by the top. One highlight for me, especially on day 2, riding straight through Monaco, right over the Grand Prix track on our bikes. We wrapped it all up at the Café Du Cycliste headquarters, had pizza, good company, and a proper party that evening. Cameron stayed home for that one, and thank you so much for having me. Looking forward for the next one.